My math lab number 5 asks you two questions. The first question is, does any of these candidates have a majority? Is there a candidate who earns a majority? Well, in order to have a majority, you have to have more than half of the votes. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take the 2,270 votes that Edelson got, the 1,496 votes that Borowski got, the 980 that Callow got, and the 414 that Levan got, and I'm going to add them all together. And when I add them up, I get 5,160, and I'm going to divide that in half, and half of that is 2,580. Now that's exactly half. You have to have more than half to have a majority. So switch to a green pen to match the other green. In order to have the majority, you would have to have 2,581 or more votes. And so when I look up here, who has more than that? Nobody. Nobody does. Nope. The closest is Edelson, but he's a little shy. So right now, nobody has a majority. And then the next question just says, well, let's just say we were using the plurality method. You don't need the majority for the plurality. You need the majority for plurality with elimination. But just plurality is whoever has the most votes. And the person with the most votes is Edelson. That's it. That's all there is to number 5.